To get started, launch the Threads app on your device. Next, tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner to open your profile. Then tap the two lines menu in the top right corner. From the Settings menu, select Privacy. From the Privacy settings, tap on Tags and Mentions. At the bottom, you will find the Allow Tags From section, which is set to Everyone by default. This means anyone can tag you in their photos and posts. If you select Profiles You Follow, only the people you follow will be able to tag you in their photos and posts. And if you select No One, nobody will be able to tag you in their photos or posts. Now choose the option that best suits your privacy preferences. This feature helps you control who can tag you, giving you more privacy and better control over your profile. So that's how you can choose who can tag you in photos on Threads.